The story of the evil chicken. There once was a chicken who walked a lot. He walked so far he found a hill. He decided to go up the hill, and it was his best decision ever. He saw her Chickalina. He walked up to Chickalina and asked, "Could we go on a date?" And Chickalina said, "Sure." They did everything together. But then the ugly came. Both the chickens ran for their lives, but the ugly was faster. But then Chicana tripped and broke her leg. Then the ugly caught up to Chicana. And then, with one swift motion of his spear, he killed her. Then the chicken looked back. And all he could think was revenge.